Most investors are making a massive mistake right now. They have 100% of their money trapped in giant tech monopolies. But what if the next decade belongs to a completely different market? There is a legendary asset class that has beaten large stocks for 100 years. And today, we are breaking down the absolute king of this strategy, AVUV. Look at your current portfolio. If you own an S&P 500 fund like VOO, you don't actually own a diversified mix of American business. You heavily own just a handful of massive, expensive tech giants. If those specific mega-cap companies stall, your entire wealth stalls with them. We saw this happen in the dot-com crash and the lost decade of the 2000s. True diversification means finding small, agile companies with room to explode. When mega-cap valuations reach extreme highs, future returns shrink fast. Smart money is quietly shifting away from overcrowded tech trades. Capital always rotates across long market cycles over decades of time. Right now, the spotlight is finally turning back towards smaller stocks. Smaller companies offer real physical assets and massive growth runways. Ask yourself if your portfolio is ready for this major market shift. If big tech underperforms, small caps can save your entire nest egg. Tilting your strategy now builds resilience against market corrections. That is why we need to examine ticker symbol AVUV very carefully today. It opens up access to a factor premium that most retail traders ignore. Let's unpack the exact science behind how this fund builds real wealth. To understand why this ETF works, we have to look back at history. Decades of financial data point toward one undeniable market pattern. It is called the small cap factor premium, and it changes everything. Let's head straight into the academic research that proved this theory. Wall Street tried to hide this research, but the numbers don't lie. Once you see how this factor operates, you will never invest the same. The evidence has been building for nearly a century across all markets. Let's break down the exact math behind this massive wealth engine. Here's what we'll cover today. 1. What makes AVUV's factor engine special? 2. How it beats basic index funds. 3. Discuss the fund's strategy. And 4. How to build a portfolio with AVUV. Let's go. Chapter 1. What makes their factor engine special? This isn't a new theory. Academics proved this decades ago in papers. Professors Fama-French won a Nobel Prize for uncovering market drivers. Historically, small-cap value stocks outpace everything else over time. It is driven by two specific market forces: the size and value premiums. Small stocks beat big stocks, and cheap stocks beat expensive stocks. Smaller companies have more room to scale, and unloved stocks offer upside. But for the last decade, this historic engine was completely asleep. Everyone poured money into massive growth stocks while value sat forgotten. Now, macroeconomic shifts are waking this sleeping giant back up. Higher interest rates mean investors demand real current earnings today. Unprofitable story. Stocks struggle when borrowing costs stay elevated. Real companies producing real earnings become cash flow powerhouses. That is the core foundation of what makes small cap value so potent. Right now, small cap value is trading at historic discount levels. The valuation gap between big and small is stretched like a rubber band. When that band snaps back, early value investors capture huge gains. Financial markets always return to their historical averages over time. Coming out of market transitions, small caps historically lead the rally. You get paid a premium for taking on the perceived risk of smaller firms. Higher risk over short periods leads to higher returns over decades. Institutions know this math and use factor strategies for huge portfolios. But retail investors often fall into dangerous passive index traps. Buying the wrong small cap index can destroy your total returns entirely. Let's look closely at why basic small cap index funds are so flawed. You will be shocked when you see what is hidden inside basic funds. Chapter 2. How AVUV beats basic index funds. Don't just rush out and buy any basic index fund like ticker symbol IWM. Traditional small cap indexes are structurally broken and full of junk. Nearly 40% of the companies in the Russell 2000 are burning cash. They are highly indebted zombie companies surviving entirely on debt. When interest rates stay elevated, these unprofitable firms face ruin. A passive index forces you to blindly buy those failing businesses. You need a filter that deletes these terrible companies automatically. This is exactly where the Avantis U.S. Small Cap Value ETF shines. AVUV completely re-engineered small cap investing. It acts like a strict security guard, screening out the absolute trash. It uses a systematic, rule-based approach focusing on two key metrics. First, it targets deep value by finding ultra-cheap price ratios. Then, it injects a profitability screen to verify cash flow health. It gives you the efficiency of an index with intelligent active control. To understand why this works, you have to look at who built it. The team at Avantis actually came from Dimensional Fund Advisors. DFA pioneered factor investing for institutional clients and funds. Avantis took that exact secret sauce and packaged it for retail users. They made institutional-grade strategy accessible to anyone with an app. The results speak for themselves when you compare head-to-head performance. AVUV consistently captures the factor premium while avoiding bad debt. The average company inside AVUV actually makes real taxable profit. It maintains low portfolio turnover to stay extremely tax efficient. It rebalances dynamically without incurring massive trading overhead costs. It uses momentum screens, so it never buys stocks falling into ruin. You get clean, disciplined exposure to genuine value opportunities. No single sector completely dominates or creates unexpected concentration. Low fee, high factor intensity, smart screening, and proven management. Now let's dive into the exact holdings and financial data numbers. Let's see what you actually own when you purchase shares of AVUV. Chapter 3. AVUV Investing Strategy. Let's look under the hood at the actual data behind this popular fund. AVUV is heavily weighted toward financials, industrials, and energy. Its largest positions make up less than 1.5% each, offering safety. Since launching in 2019, its returns have consistently beaten rivals, and it delivers this outperformance for a small 0.25% fee. Compare that to old active mutual funds that rob you of 1% every year. But just a heads up that this strategy is definitely not a free financial lunch. Small cap value stocks are incredibly volatile and require strong emotional control. This asset class can underperform the S&P 500 for 5 to 10 years. If you panic and sell during a downturn, you will ruin your gains. You must have at least a 10-year horizon to let this premium work. If you cannot handle seeing your portfolio drop harder than the market, then this specific strategy is absolutely not right for your mind. During sharp market panics, small cap value stocks fall fast and hard. You must view drawdowns as buying opportunities, not reasons to flee. Many investors suffer tracking error regret when S&P 500 soars ahead. You will watch your friends make quick gains in shiny tech bubbles. You need psychological conviction to stick with value through quiet times. How does AVUV stack up against rival small cap value competitors? Funds like VIOV track the S&P 600, which has a basic earnings filter. But AVUV goes much deeper by sorting continuously for cash metrics. AVUV also uses momentum trading to buy and sell at optimal points. It creates a much tighter exposure to factors that build wealth. Simple net income can be manipulated by clever accounting tricks. Operating cash profitability is much harder for bad firms to fake. That accounting distinction gives AVUV a distinct long-term edge. Reinvested dividends inside the ETF compound your share count higher. Now let's talk about exactly how to fit this fund into your setup. Let's design a simple, ultra-effective allocation strategy today. Chapter 4. How to build a portfolio with AVUV. So, how do you actually implement AVUV into your own portfolio? Most investors use it as a 10% to 20% tilt on top of a total market fund. This keeps your core portfolio safely anchored while adding a boost. Because of its minor dividend yield, it fits beautifully in a Roth IRA or TFSA. Simply set up an automated monthly contribution and let it compound. Keep buying consistently through dips and let time do the heavy lifting. Small contributions over 20 to 30 years turn into life-changing wealth. You can pair it with international funds like AVDV for global value. Combining U.S. and international value creates a true factor power setup. Once set up, stop checking prices daily and let the factors compound. Discipline is the secret ingredient that turns strategy into real money. AVUV is arguably the best engineered small-cap fund on the market. It gives you elite factor exposure without charging institutional fees. For long-term investors wanting factor tilt, it gets our highest rating. I want to hear from you down in the video comment section right now. Are you tilting your portfolio into value or holding broad index funds? Check out this next video on screen to build an even stronger portfolio. Before we let you go, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making investment decisions. Stay disciplined, keep compounding, and build that long-term wealth. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.